Chef Hayden. I'm 6 years old.
Hi guys, I'm Chef Hailey. I am 7 years old.
Today we're going to do a vanilla cupcake for Breast Cancer Awareness Week. Let me introduce you all the ingredients. The first ingredient is 100 gram butter, like a half. So like if this is done, this writing here, that's the line, that's how much. It's just the middle, okay? We need to always use cake mix, of course. 3 eggs with any food coloring and tablespoons. We need the cupcake trays, and the last thing is the cake mixer.
We need 165 ml water. And the next ingredient, we need paper cups. And for the Breast Cancer Awareness Week, we are going to use some decorations.
The first thing we need to do is use the knife and cut the butter to 100 grams. Okay? Let's open it. And I need to see carefully. Okay. Let me check once. Here. Okay. Okay. This is the part that I found. Okay. We need to cut carefully to 100 grams like this. Okay. This is how it looks. Then we need to pour it in the big bowl. Oh, okay. It's okay.
Break 3 eggs into the bowl. Correct.
Whoa, you made a circle.
Crack this egg now. I'm going to take out the shell.
Next, we need to open the box. And you can see it's like plastic like this. Kind of. It smells like milk powder. Let's what is stuck? Okay. Let's pour it. Careful. We go here. Oh,
Put the whole thing.
okay. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my smoke. This is it okay?
Now we're gonna mix all these ingredients.
Wow.
And then
The butter is like smash the butter.
Smash it.
So it melts.
Smash it. And
Then my assistant Chef Hailey will pour the water inside this big bowl with the cake mix powder.
don't forget to mix. We need
To mix
all of it.
Yeah, just oh yeah. It'll melt easily.
Okay. Nice.
I need to smash it to pieces. Next, put the mixture inside the bowl. Like this. Really noisy.
Each cup put 1 portion. So we are going to do 2 scoops. So just 1 scoop.
We need many scoops. It's so small. This one is too small.
Only a second scoop.
More.
Now we need 1 more scoop to finish the whole thing. That's all.
We need a big scoop.
Yeah, that's a bigger scoop.
One more. 1,
2.
Oh,
We need to finish all of it. So the 3rd scoop. Oh, we need
Done.
1 more small scoop.
it's small.
Super small.
That is not the same, I think. Oh, it's the same here. Let's put this to this. I think our whole family can eat it.
Yeah. But Tasbaka had to eat first. Because
Why?
today is her birthday.
Okay. 2.
Yeah.
One more big giant scoop. I need to put a big one because my sister didn't like those scoops. Okay. Don't drop these. Yes.
Of course. This will be very good already.
Is it sticky?
Yeah.
Butter?
These butters are so sticky.
Okay. 1. Oh. Now I need to scoop more. Okay. 1 more scoop.
Make sure it won't burn.
Yeah, don't fall here. Don't fall. Yes.
That's enough.
Uh-oh. Okay. Now put some food color. Okay, mix.
Has the most pink one. That's for Tasbaka. Like pink, purple, and
Oh, I just made a heart shape, right?
yeah.
That's
Nice. Wow.
It's a heart shape. Look at that. Now we're going to put these cupcakes and this for the cake and put inside this yellow color one and then blue color things there like that. Okay. And this red was hot. Yum, 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 yum. These are the cupcakes that I made with my assistant Hailey, but she has gone. And it's for the Breast Cancer Awareness Week. Looks yummy, right? We got the breast cancer here from my mother made it. After you see the video, please subscribe and hit the notifications on and like this video, please.